So we know that the Mediterranean Sea is one of the most exposed area worldwide of the impact of marine litter, especially plastics. And we know also in the last, I can say, few years that the concentration of plastic and microplastic in Mediterranean Sea is almost of the same level of the 5 oceanic gyres. So on the scientific point of view, this concept imposed to the scientific community to solve one main question, that is try to understand the impact of marine litter on the Mediterranean biodiversity. And the University of Siena, under the umbrella of the United Nations and the Union for Mediterranean, have developed in the last few years a project called Plastic Busters that was devoted to try to answer to this question. And especially with the common project, that is the project that we are launching in this day, we have as main goal the idea to focus the attention on 2 main categories of species in the Mediterranean Sea. The first one is one of the symbolic and charismatic species at Mediterranean level, that is the sea turtle, caretta, lowhead turtles, that in our mind is one of the symbol of Mediterranean biodiversity. And on the other side, we focus the attention on edible fish commercial species, exploring the impact of marine litter in these 2 categories of organisms, endangered species on one side and commercial species on the other, can solve several aspects. The first one is try to understand the impact of marine litter on basin scale on endangered species, and the second one is try to understand the potential impact on edible species and the potential consequence on human health. So the main challenge of this project is to binding for the first time the south and the north of Mediterranean Sea in the fight against marine litter, and we hope to achieve an important result at the end of the project, not also in terms of monitoring but essentially in terms of governance. So after this diagnostic phase, we strongly believe that a mitigation action and governance can be the natural consequence of the project.